Can you use eBay sell similar item feature? Well, the answer is yes. The sell similar feature saves time by copying most of an existing listing's detail. And to do so, you want to simply go to your eBay application. And if you have a seller hub, you want to simply tap on the selling option over here. And once you do so, you'll be able to see a page which will look something like this. Here what you want to do is you want to simply tap on sell similar option once you are inside your listing over here. Just scroll down from there and tap on this listing option over there, and inside there you'll be able to see an option called sell similar. After that, what you want to do is you want to review the copied information and replace the photos if necessary. After that, you want to update the title, condition, price and quantity of that product and publish the new listing as well. By doing so, you would have successfully set up sell similar feature on eBay. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.